Hi, Mark here. It is going on 9 a.m. Eastern, going on 2 p.m. GMT. It's Monday, the 20th. Good start to the week, active start to the week, important day. We know that Donald Trump being inaugurated today, officially no more president-elect, but president. And I have no doubt that we will get and be provided with some real trading opportunities. Let's start, as always, on the dollar index, see how things have started. And wow, look at that. Look at how the dollar index is coming down right now, 108.14. This is a strong move lower, strong move lower. Opened up at around the 109, 109.11. It's already come down all the way to 108.15. There it is. We saw this last week. We saw this developing last week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, lower lows, lower highs. Friday, the US dollar tried to fight back. Didn't work. Today, from the open, it's weak US dollar. Wow, that's a big move to start off the week. Let's have a look at, just to have a look at our next support level for sellers. That's at 107.50. Long way to go, I know, but that is going to be the next level. We're sitting at 108.10. Sellers will want to break below the 108, and then that next big level, 107.50. Of course, for buyers need to maintain above 108 and get back to that 109 level where it started the week. Let's have a look at S&P, bearing in mind that it's pre-market. Wall Street gets going in half an hour. We're going on 9 a.m. Eastern, and there is your inverse relationship. Weak US dollar, strong equity, strong S&P. And look how it broke above the 6,000. It closed last week at 6,031. It's now broken above the resistance, 6,046, sitting at 6,057. So we are seeing strong S&P, strong equities to start the week. And that is the traditional inverse relationship playing out between US dollar and equities. Next level for buyers is going to be up here at 6,098. That's almost 6,100. That's what buyers will be looking for if this continues. Sellers, of course, will come back to, at a bare minimum, to the 6,000 level as their first target on the downside. Inverse relationship playing out strong to start the week. Let's have a look at gold. It did weaken earlier down to 2,689 from the open, which was 2,705, went below the 2,700, 2,688. It's back above 2,700, and that's the inverse relationship. Weak US dollar, strong gold. Didn't start that way, but buyers will be looking to maintain and stay above 2,700 and get up to the resistance we saw last week, 2,724. So gold has started the week off strong. Intraday resistance for now, 2,713, and that's what buyers will be looking to test. Let's have a look at oil. Wow, big sell-off in oil. Look how it's broken through significantly this support, not an easy support. It started the day, the week at 79.72, just under that $80 level, and it's now being sold off very strong, sitting at 78.48. That's a real strong move. and it's moving. I'm going to go just here to the hourly, and it's all happened in the last hour. Wow. Have a look at this. And look at this bearish engulfing candle that's being formed. So be on the lookout for either a continuation. We'll wait for it to, if those that want to continue selling, look for a bit of a rest, a reprieve, a small bounce, and then catch the second wave maybe. Now, the expression of trying to catch a falling knife, just to click the sell now and add to it, not the way I would look to do it, has to settle just that little bit. There is, look where it is now. I'm looking for a previous level here. That is from the 10th of January, where we saw this low at 78.50. There you can see that's on the hourly, and that's what it's testing again right now, and even looking to break below. The sellers will look for it to go below here. Again, not just to jump in. It is bearish, meaning if this is going to continue, there will be opportunities to join this downtrend. Buyers, of course, will wait for a turnaround, wait for at least to get back above 78, look to 79 on the way to some kind of a reversal from this very strong trend we see. And now let's look at crypto, more particularly, or exactly, let's look at Bitcoin. Have a look at the high from earlier, 109,310, record highs being established, leveling out a little bit for now. The relevant levels, there is my resistance. There is our support. So trading in a wide range already between 105,350, and this is from, there you can see the time at 12. And now sitting at 10, wow, right in the middle of this range. If we look at the daily, $100,000 is where it started the week, 99,489, $10,000 range in one day. As I've always said, with Bitcoin, have to be a little bit wary. Right now, sitting at that 108, the previous resistance. We'll watch and see how that performs during the day. You can see very strong today. Stick to your strategies, not just jumping in. Stick to your strategies. Wait for our signals and our the way we have developed our strategies and the type of signals we are looking for. And if the moves are that drastic, you have to give the market some breathing room with your stop loss, with your take profit. Allow the market to breathe, even if you have to maybe trade slightly smaller position sizes. Good, strong start to the day. Good trading, everybody, and I'll see you at the end of today's session.